Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fauzi Barama Sarif and I am from Robo 4. And here I will explain the criminal law in France. So, the French criminal justice system is one of the modern legal system that has greatly legal system the development of law around the world, including in countries that adhere to the civil law tradition. French criminal law is based on the Code Penal as the main codification of criminal law. This codification is comprehensive and regulates everything from general principles, types of criminal law offense, criminal law liability to sentencing provisions. Basically, the French criminal law system emphasizes the principle of legality, namely being previously determined in law. These principles reflected in the principle of nullum crimen nulla poena sine lege, which is also adopted in Indonesia. In terms of its law enforcement institutional structure, France has prosecutors who are part of a highly organized system. Prosecutors in France are, are the executive branch, but they still have independence in carrying out their prosecutorial function. The criminal justice process tends to be inquisitorial, meaning that judges play an active role in seeking material truth. This system differs from the adversarial system found in common law countries. In France, the existence of the judge, the the interaction or investigation judge is an important feature. This investigation of cases that are considered serious, so that the burden of the proof is not solely the responsibility of the prosecutor or the defense, but also the judge. When compared to Indonesia, there are several striking similarities and differences. Indonesia also adheres to the civil law tradition and has a codification of criminal law in the criminal code. However, the structure of criminal law enforcement in Indonesia is more separate between investigation or police, prosecutor, and judge. Indonesia does not have investigation judge like in France. In prac- in practice in practice in practice investigation are conducted by the police, while prosecution are carried out by the public prosecutor office. Thus, the Indonesian criminal justice system is more linear and separate between institutions, while France tends to integrate the role of investigation and preliminary assessment by judge. When compared to Indonesia, in their principle, but but both France and Indonesia adhere to the principle of legality and accountability based on will. However, French criminal law is more developed in terms of the classification of criminal acts, which are divided into contravention, delicts, and crimes. This division affect the type of court that hear the case and the severity of the sanction. In Indonesia, the criminal code divides criminal acts into violation and crimes, but this classification is not as complex in France. So, overall, the French criminal justice system reflects a more advanced civil law tradition with an organized judicial structure and a more active role for judges. Meanwhile, Indonesia has the same foundation but with more separate law enforcement. Practice between institution and similar codification. This comparison to similar legal system has different characteristics and mechanism in according with their respective legal histories and needs. So, thank you very much and see you.